Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm sharing with you how to prepare Ayurvedic hair growth butter to battle split ends and breakage. The ingredients are Brahmi powder, which helps reduce hair fall, prevents dry and brittle split ends, and enhances the overall health to promote hair growth. Brahmi is very effective in promoting stronger and thicker hair strands, and this will help reduce scalp issues as well. My next ingredient is hibiscus powder. This powder contains flavonoids and amino acids that nourishes the scalp and roots. Hibiscus helps prevent baldness as well, so this is very nutrient packed. Amla powder improves blood circulation, prevents hair fall, and also boosts hair volume. Yes guys, so as you know, I have been using Amla on my hair for some time now, and I use the oil to pre-poo my hair. This is very good guys, trust me. The carrier oils I'll be using are avocado oil. This is mainly composed of monounsaturated fatty acids which lock in moisture and smooth breakage. It also contains fat-soluble antioxidants and bioactive phytochemicals that defend hair from environmental aggressors. Sweet almond oil conditions hair and aids in a healthy scalp and treats dandruff as well. It is very good at moisturizing the hair strands, and it also gives a very healthy shine. Sweet almond oil is one of my go-to carrier oils, and I love this. I will also use these essential oils, tea tree and peppermint oil. Essential oils, as we know, help blood circulation to the scalp, which help hair follicles to receive all the nutrients and nourishment they need to strengthen them and reduce hair fall. And I am going with these two because that is what I use most of the time, and also that is what I have available at the moment. Not forgetting one of the main ingredients being shea butter. This is raw organic shea butter and it is so good. It helps soothe irritated scalp, protects hair and scalp, and smooths down frizz. So shea butter is an OG and it's really good at moisturizing any hair type. If you have type 4 hair, get shea butter close to you. These are all the products. So I'll go ahead to add all my ingredients in a bowl. Though I do not specifically measure these, I make sure to not use too much of the powders. So I used about a tablespoon each of the Brahmi and hibiscus powder, but half a tablespoon of the Amla powder. I then go in with my avocado oil, and I use also this much, about 2 tablespoons, and I'm good to go. So I also used same quantity of the sweet almond oil. And this is how everything is looking. So guys, these oils are my preferred choice. You can use any carrier oils and essential oils of your choice as well. So using the double boiling method, I will let this dissolve fully. So guys, you do not want to put it directly on fire. This might burn and we need all the properties in this intact. We better go for the double boiling method. You can see there are still some shea butter in there, not fully dissolved. So I will keep stirring for a few more minutes till everything is dissolved and ready. It took about 12 minutes and we have our ingredients all melted together and ready. This is the container I will use to store my butter, so I will just go ahead to strain directly in this. The color combination of the products makes the oil looks very beautiful guys. After straining, this is the amount of residue left of the powders. Okay guys, so now it's time for the essential oils to be added. I used about a few drops each of the essential oils, and I think I used about 18 to 20 drops each of the essential oils, and yeah, that is my preferred choice. So this combo gives the oil a minty kind of smell, and this is really nice. I then give this a stir for some few minutes to mix everything together. And this is what we have. I will just allow this to sit to solidify. And after a few minutes, this is our butter all ready to be used. It was kind of taking too long to solidify, so I kept this in the freezer, and we have our butter looking really good. Do you guys see how beautiful the color is? And this is fully packed with a lot of goodness for a good and healthy hair. So this can be used as a moisturizer for your hair strands, your ends, and also your scalp. So when using this, I make sure to focus on my ends mostly and work my way up to my hair strands. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!